Jack, your laundry expert. Are you tired of boiling all your clothes just to get them clean? Ugh, burnt again. Ow, that's hot. After quite a few minutes of long waiting, it's time for me to get my sock. Oh, it shrunk. I figured out that the boiling, that's too hot. So I decided to try the washboard. It's much better, much cleaner seeming than the boiling. Oh no, my sock! Hi! That boiling water was too rough on my socks. It was way too hot. The washboard put holes in it, so now I'm gonna try this brand new washing machine. I'm just gonna throw my sock in. Hit that button. And now I'm gonna have 28 minutes and I get to do some stuff on my free time while this nice machine washes my sock for me. My sock is clean.